unfortunately, President MIA discussing, general campaign issues. Nakamifi said, "Yebechimia concentrating on COVID-19 for now." Nanka yapenukra lepumasibre and Sana sebe discussing other general campaign issues ukranka ya discussing.
Now campaign issues then they are here no.
Epacho Emra Omanpanyi can say obesi 88 districts no hospitals no.
You could see say on assembly
say as usual Omanpanyi is hiding behind sa update we na odiaye campaign. Nti Metro Mebo Ecofa MPP Manifesto 2016 nti ubie page 33 clearly e wo say
Asempa FM
omoka chere Ghana for nyina say omunya tumi a ombe upgrade district hospitals afin so bia ebi ni ho no ombisi district hospitals nti so ubie page 33 on health na oka utimi hu se e wo ho ntenye enra nko a no mampanyi ebe hu se sabi enam COVID-19 no e wo se you see hospitals are main ntin se bisan ne se yama mampanyi mandate of 4 years we try 3 years aka clear bi na wanya 4 years nti all this while no see and to me 88 hospitals na Omanpanyi ka say afi ba ko a aka no or the beye 88 hospitals are clearly no na a reaction to ebia Omanpanyi dada John Dramani Mahama ebia waka say obesi regional hospitals in the newly created regions any obanso about the complete the Oshasia want to mean any of those things. Say entesa obi ebe me wan say obi abetimi draw the correlation between that 88 hospitals no any your fight against COVID-19 unless Professor Kacha me say COVID-19 will linger on for about a year. Me could read sa 88 district 88 hospitals no ma abe contribute to the fight against COVID-19. Nti so hwe sa nima we nyina ahwe sa background we a utimi hu say enye COVID-19 ho update na yenya na emum Omanpanyi ne boshe a opese wode ma Ghana fo se tisa dia senya okaye no your health facilities bi ni mo ho a ebi 50% complete ebi 60% complete ebi 80% complete ebi mpo de ya wi ayen sha se enyusu ye ndisi ye pe health facilities bi animanimi ya to fight COVID-19 na ka me susu yi mu no adenti na yenko wi de ya sha se a yenya nwi ye no na no mum meboa na mum e wo se e ko sha se esi new 88 hospitals and son I know they contribute to COVID-19 and no na emani who say ya manyosem bi ne ye na obi at this point in time no if he say also Omanpanyi e kasa statesman sane be ya ye nyina no okasa e benya kroye ne nkambom na de obekan bia no Ghana fo nyina e beje adi ye tuni akon atia COVID-19 se kobane say ye de sa update we anase sa ya wi ya nyina e pese yakuti ekoya amanyosem a there were a large section of Ghanaians Omanpanyi sha asesa o shebo a obi engine bi ebe ma asem obeka bia no yentimi emfa anya adwuma because Omanpanyi ewo background bi or history bi I mean from 2016 eba nsema waka obesi 350 secondary school one village one dam in every village in the northern part of the country and the kaka home. There are other questions and so about up.
Okay, before so we call other questions now about upness, and I'm struggling to appreciate the facts I was Omanpanyi Ebabe politics as usual, because say he attempted to give an explanation, meaning say utimi etie or say the virus has also revealed the unequal distribution of healthcare facilities, as we have tended to focus our infrastructure on Accra and one or two of our other big cities. But as we have seen, epidemics and pandemics, when they emerge, can spread to any part of our country. If indeed, say, despite all the uncompleted health projects and Matome Buabobo Nina, NMS there, Eurojet there, Bank of Ghana there, all of those uncompleted projects, there are still 88 districts in our country without hospitals. And are you saying so, Mampenya Bonese or Kase, yes, through COVID-19, said this situation would have to be addressed head on into Omobe started project to build 88 district hospitals? Is that his crime?
Obi, I'll be highly disappointed in His Excellency the President. So the catcher may say, I'm not catcher Ghana for you now say COVID-19 and could name the health sector, no, the status of the health sector. Now, name the gaps in the health sector. Now, name here say, and what you're building more infrastructure in the health sector. I'll be so much disappointed. And the catcher will say, if the Omampany meaning well, not indeed the COVID-19. We have other infrastructure, so they want us to as quickly as possible. My science so pinpoint says, so Mampany can say, COVID-19, we are. No, could be a name every say. Time of year 2016 manifesto, no, not COVID-19, now, copy Chetrea or can't want some more. So, right from day one, Mampany. Ebaye Omampany Ewomeno Onimba district district hospitals. In the COVID-19, na the catcher Omampany say for the period that is for Onumuni district hospital. So Saturday I will be disappointed. And indeed, Obi, sir, uncompleted or abandoned health facilities. Unchime can't them sending no ewa Accra and I say one place. A dotted across the length and breadth of this country. In the last 6 years, Abanda Dano a investment about 2 billion our health sector. No, in Tisanka, Abai Bayano, Sekasian Twaswa, and they bring the full benefit. About 40 or 30 to 40 polyclinics. We talk about Northern region, Upper West. Not the then Western region. Even Central region alone, about 10 polyclinics and here. But the point I'm making is that say Obi who can say COVID-19 now Mampany who say yeah health sector no media then Mampany is not on top of issues. Because you can't want someone can want in fact Mampany Kobe at a point in time Omampany capon the health sector. And we say we need more investment in the health sector, and therefore we're exempting the health sector. Up to now, there are some aspects of health sector now. Yeah, capon. It is only we yaman or someone. I'm also struggling to get your analogy. Say we yaman or some because my catcher will say, time 2016 or more sign or more yet. Or more draft or manifesto, not COVID-19 mine. But I prefer you, so short copy. And if you care to know, make me kind of a bottom amount. Say that the district hospital will be
Medicare kind that I've read that before we called you. But my point really
not COVID-19.
My point really is when you put out a manifesto, even in that manifesto now over 4 years to implement, you prioritize some of the things in the manifesto ahead of others. Bottom line is by a 4-year term, they will say, "Utumi achieve money," because that's what you sold to the Ghanaian people. Their priorities in that, and also on that priority list, Bibi Timi Sia, Etimi Bibi, that say number 10 on your list, at the back number 1. Don't you think, say Bibi Sana? COVID way, am I a reality check? I mean, say, wait a minute, we have to look at your health sector, Nebio.
Obi, you are contradicting yourself. You are talking about prioritizing BBA. SCA, BBA, SCA, and MAE, BBA prioritizing.
Yes.
Obi, the president has been the president of the Republic of Ghana for more than 3 years. It is a BBA and a priority. I can't less than 7 months. I'm not going to be a priority.
And I may see BB to me see MA changing order of priorities. That's the point I made.
Obi, you must agree with me, sir. Any country, the most prioritized sector of any country should be the health sector. Any question of China, BBC, and so on, prioritize the health sector. The health sector should be prioritized. It won't change much. You don't be in see. Something in Pradiasa. I bind that down. Or change much. You don't see, and so on. We see this heavy investment in the health sector. So you always have to think outside the box, now thinking into the future. Say the maybe 2 media. Answer na Ghana Pobenya so mpaswono. We must complete those projects. We are putting into good use.
Say on assembly.
Name